Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. As you have studied or completed the chapter or unit 1, that is Introduction to Biology. In this chapter, girls, you have discussed the definition of biology, its main three branches, that is botany, zoology and microbiology. Then we have discussed the branches of biology up to, like, we have 16 to 17 branches. After these branches, we have discussed the co-fields or the co-branches or linkage of biology with other fields, like that is biophysics, biochemistry, and up here we have the biostatistics, bioeconomics and biogeography. Then we have discussed the careers in biology, that's medicine, surgery, fisheries, agriculture, and then we have animal science, horticulture, forestry, farming, included the healthcare and forensic sciences. Then we have discussed the 5-kingdom system of classification that was given by Robert Whittaker in 1968 or 69. So kingdom prokaryote, protista, fungi, plantae and animalia were included in this 5-kingdom system of classification. Then you have discussed the contributions of some Muslim scientists in the you can say biology or the science related to science or biology. Then we have discussed the levels of biological organization. We start from very smaller level, that is particles, subatomic particles in atom, and we have discussed up to the level 8, that was organism. All these were discussed or delivered to you at all. Then we have discussed the last cellular organization. In that there were 3 types: unicellular, colonial and the multicellular. So as you have completed this chapter number 1, so I am going to discuss the exercise of this chapter. The exercise of this chapter includes some MCQs type questions, multiple choice type questions. So now please listen carefully. The very first is that is Miss Aisha was busy in dissecting and analyzing the heart of frog. Probably she is a. So Miss Aisha was busy in dissecting and analyzing the heart of frog. So, you know, girls, heart is an organ. Heart is an organ, and organ is made up of related type of tissues which have some common function. So number A option is cell biology. Cell biologists always studies cell and their functions. Number second is taxonomy. Taxonomy always study the naming. The third one is histology, and the fourth one is paleontology. Paleontology is the study of fossils, and histology is the right option. As you know, histology or the person who study histology is called histologist, and histology is basically the study of tissues. So your tissues combine together to form what? Heart. So heart is, so this the right option is option C, that is histologist. Second is, how many people get lung cancer by smoking? This question can be answered through, as you know, girls, that it is a biological problem. It is a biological problem, and you know that biometry or biostatistic is the common field in biostatistic. In biostatistic, we study about the method, the processes applied to the collection, analysis and interpretation of the biological data, especially that is when related to the human biology or human health or medicine. It is also, you can say, biometry is also for receiving the data, making valid points that can be used to solve biological or health or public health issues. So option A is the right one. Right option, that one is the right option. Now the third one is very simple. Al Qanun fil Tib is the famous book of. So this book is written by the famous book of Bu Ali Sina. Option A is the right one, Bu Ali Sina. And moving forward, fourth one we have, which one of the following contain large number of cells but is not a multicellular. As you know, girls, that frog is a proper animal, and it is related to the multicellular organization. So the second one is volvox. As you know, girls, volvox जो है, it is a as it is a unicellular organism, but it never lives separately or independently. It is always found in colonies, and multiple cells combine together to make a colony. So option B is the right one. Option C is contain mushroom. Mushroom is related to the fungi, kingdom fungi, so it is a multicellular organism also. And the last one is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular organism, and it is not the right option. So Volvox is the right options. Number 4th we have